How to delete incognito history on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Chrome browser on your device and then you can see this is the normal view for your Google Chrome. Now a lot of times you can see the incognito mode, the web browser do not get saved, but however that cache is still there. So to delete the incognito history on Android, all you have to do is just go to the search bar and search for the option over here, that is Chrome semicolon sidebars, then net, and then internal. After that, tap on go and it will look something like this. Now here on the left side of the screen, you can see different options available. Now just tap on DNS. As you tap on DNS, under the domain name, you just have to mention the domain name or the website of the browser that you have mentioned and that you want to clear the cache for. And then all you have to do is tap on clear host cache. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.